If you're trying to get greed in Voidpet Dungeon, here's how to do it. First, make sure you contribute to global goals. You'll need to take part in the game's global donation events. Once the community goal is completed, greed can start spawning in certain areas. Next, check the spawn locations. After the goal is met, greed can commonly appear in Hometown Dust Valley and also on Ghost Road North. After that, use mushrooms. Plant specific mushrooms in your Voidpet garden since some of them have a chance to spawn greed. For better results, use Tier 2 or higher mushrooms. These give you a chance to find higher forms of greed. Finally, be patient. Greed is a legendary pet, so it may take time and luck to find, especially the stronger versions. And that's it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next video.